Hello everyone, welcome to the test site of ATOMBOTIX, your industrial mobile robot design and manufacturing partner. Today, I would like to show you our AGV Body product. Here is a AGV Body with a 600 kg lifting capacity. This is a great option if you are designing an industrial robot for moving pallet, racks, tables, or mount a top module like a cobot or a motorized conveyor on the top of it. What is the AGV Body? An AGV Body is just like a zombie robot. It is without the brain, without the controller. Our AGV Body is equipped already with the motors, the batteries, the lifting mechanism, and the safety sensors and the buttons. So you can only put your own controlling system and it can go up running immediately. So let's take a close look at our AGV Body product. Here are our two integrated servo motor wheels. It is a compact design with motor drives, motors, gearbox, and wheels, all in one design. And this is the lithium battery for the AGV Body. It is 48 volt, 25 amps hour. It is capable for supported the AGV Body to run around 6 to 8 hours, one shift of power life. And then this is the lifting mechanism. It is already equipped with motors, motor drives, gearboxes, and the lifting mechanism. For this one, it is capable for lifting 60 millimeters. And then this is the AGV Body LiDAR. This one is for the navigation use, and this one is for the obstacle avoidance use. And for the other components, the buttons, emergency stops, charging port, as well as the cable harnesses, we will make it ready for you. These components support to communicate through CAN, RS485, Ethernet, and I/O. With this AGV Body, you can easily install your own controlling system into this AGV Body using QR code navigation, 2D or 3D slump reflector, slump, etc. By using our AGV Body product, you don't need to build the robot from the scratch, meanwhile still keeping cost competitive and fast deploy to the market. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.